New hardwood floors throughout the main level. A large foyer, formal living and dining rooms perfect for entertaining. Downstairs in-law suite with a full bath. Family room is large and inviting with hardwoods flowing into the gourmet kitchen. Gourmet kitchen equipped with a large island granite countertops, tile backsplash and all stainless steel appliances. A Florida room perfect for your morning coffee. Retreat to the upstairs where you will find a large master bedroom, spa-like bathroom with double vanities, separate soaking tub and tile shower. 4 large bedroom upstairs, all with lots of closet space. 1 bedroom is large enough to double as a recreation room or man cave. All bathrooms are upgraded with comfort height counters and toilets. A spacious laundry room on the 2nd level with washer and dryer. Large deck out back and the perfect amount of yard for your kids and for babies.